Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Elmer in Arkansas on the Stryker SR-497HPC. Elmer, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune and alignment. So many colors to choose from on these new ones. Let's get right to it here. We're going to turn the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. That's 2 watts, Elmer. That's going to be used if you decide to run an amp. You'll be able to back it all the way down and set it exactly where you need to. There's 30 watts all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, 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 low. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Low, low, low. So we hit about 56, 57 bird. What's that mean on the 250 watt scale in peak? Low, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Low, 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 low. About 130 watts. Alright, Elmer, it's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy it. We appreciate it. Don't forget to give us a 5-star review on the Google from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.